3 entire Saturdays later, and the upper engine wiring harness has changed, and the MAF sensor harnesses have been changed. It's all back together. It's all looking absolutely factory. The wiring is neatly terminated to the 2 ECUs in that component compartment. And now we can hear what a V12 sounds like with a good harness. Start her up. And of course the coolant has been bled. Both heaters are operating. So both heaters were on full heat. The front and the rear. So it's completely bled. Ready to go to the aircon shop to be charged up.